In today's video, we will take a look at a different way of making videos. Okay, so let's dive straight into it to take a look at what's InVideo. Now I've already signed in, but if you haven't signed in yet, you need to sign up obviously. And once you've signed in, you actually go to this place and it shows you as an app. Now, just to give you a brief overview, what's InVideo? Now, InVideo is actually an app that allows you to create videos, and there are different types of videos that you can make, and it's actually different from the so-called traditional sense of making a video. So first, let's start at, say, this option 1, convert a script to video. And this is one of the advantages that I can see in InVideo, because today everything is on video. You know that blog posts, people reading it has actually gone down, and whereas a lot of attention has gone into video. So one way to get attention to your blog post is actually to convert not the entire script, entire post, but perhaps your headlines and your list into a video. Okay, so here when you select that, you have two options to create stories and listicles. Listicles means list articles and in video form. Okay, so here you have your option whether you want to have horizontal or square video. Maybe you want to post it up to Instagram. It's up to you to choose your format. Okay, and here are actually the templates that allows you to create a video quickly. Okay, so let's go with stories. We're going to make a story, and let's say it's going to be a horizontal, and we're going to make it in, say, for Facebook. Alright, so here you have a bunch of templates, and basically the templates is a way that they have arranged how the text will come into that video, the transitions, the fonts, where the positions are of the text and all that. So you actually need to select one that you want. Okay, you can actually make changes later on. It's just that if you got close as possible to the effects that you want, then it will reduce a lot of changes that you need to make. Okay, let's select this again. And here you have some audio playing. Okay, and you can actually choose your video format. So let's say we're going to start with this template. Now I've started with this template, and let me show you the project. Okay, and this is the project that I have been working on. So when you click on next, it will be taken to somewhere like this. And you have all the scenes over there. Now when you put your text or your block of text into InVideo, it will show you whether you want InVideo's software to help you look for the images and the media clips that suits your video. Now unfortunately, maybe it's just me or my topic is a little bit boring, so I wanted to talk about online courses, so I sort of put in a few lines there. And I would unfortunately the search with InVideo didn't do such a good job for me, and it didn't come up with that many images that were suitable. Okay, so it's on education, so this image was selected by InVideo. It's not something that I would like. This one is, I have a question here. Okay, my tagline or my text on that slide or that video clip will be, what are your thoughts and experience, with a question mark, and then of course it comes up with a questionnaire type. So probably I'm going to need some work to make this work. In order to start, let's look at some media here, and this is where the power is. Now a lot of times if you are making videos, you probably have to go and shoot your own video clips, or maybe you go to some of the sites that allow you to have all these royalty-free images and royalty-free clips. Okay, here you don't have to, you can just type in your search and it would come up with it. Okay, so let's talk about online. Okay, let's see whether they can come up with an image for online. Now this won't be a thorough tutorial, I'm just going to show you as an overview what this software can do. Okay, so if you hover your mouse over it, you will play a little bit. Looks like the internet is slow at the moment. Okay, so sometimes it plays, and or you can also click on it. Okay, this looks good. Let's select this, and I'm just going to drag this over to this box over here. Okay, and here you are given a choice to trim that video if you want to. So this video here is about 15 seconds long. We are not going to use that long for intro video or the intro clip. So let's do about 5 seconds, okay? And you can just trim it with this. Okay, so it's a little bit less than 5 seconds. Let's adjust it a bit to 5 seconds. And if you click OK, done, InVideo would actually trim the clip. So now you have this. So here you have your layers, so you can actually edit the layers. So there's an overlay and there's a media. So the overlay kinds of make this a blur a bit, which is interesting. You can edit that as well. So just click unlock, go to the overlay. So as you can see here at the top is actually the text, online courses. Then the overlay, the thing that kind of create the semi-transparent look. Then the media, which is the video clip behind. And then there's a background. Okay, so let's try to edit the overlay. You can edit the opacity. Okay, say we want to have more opacity. Okay, maybe something here. And then you can go back to the layers, and let's say you want to lock it. And let's say this text here, you do not want it to be so high up. Let's preview this and see how does the text come in. Okay, we can actually leave it there. That is what the designers of InVideo have set it to be. Now, if you are like me, you want to maybe just move things down a bit, you can do that as well. Click preview and you have a click preview. And they create a preview. Okay, that looks much better. Now, the thing to remember is that one of the advantages is that you don't need to have a powerful computer to use InVideo. As long as your browser works and Chrome is suggested, the servers at the company will actually take care of everything. So let's save this scene. Let's move to the next storyboard or the next scene. So the tagline that I put here is online courses are $1 billion business. I can change it if I want to, but let's say we want high rise. Some office, we can actually search for it. So it's up to the software. As you search for it, it will come up with options for you. So it actually depends on your creativity to find the right clips for you to use. Okay, this will work. So for the demo, I will just select this clip, but I will probably look for a better clip if I'm really doing this. Alright, so you can actually just continue with that editor and switch over the scenes or the images by looking at those things. You can also upload your own media. If you want to upload, say, a certain clip of you speaking, you can do that as well. So as you can see here, I've actually uploaded my logo. When it comes to branding, you can insert your brand colors. Okay, so let me just show you. For example, if you go to your own brand presets, you can put in your company name, select the type of fonts that you prefer, upload your logo, and then every video or every template that you choose that has a logo, an option for a logo, your logo will be placed there. You can also put links to, let's say, your YouTube channel and your end clip. You can add a file, add your own file as well, whether it's a video clip or a section. So you have all those kinds of options. Now, this just means that if you are making many videos, then it will actually sort out your process much faster. Okay, so it's actually very nifty and very fast. Now let's take a look at a different type of project here, which is a listicle. Now we're not going to do a project with the listicles, but basically the template for list are a little bit different. You will notice that there are these numbers here, 5 things that can get you apps fast, for example. So the template or the theme will now have 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, so you can go as many as you want, but basically you are creating a video based on a list of items, and I'm sure you've probably seen quite a lot of those, whether it's on Instagram or on Facebook. And surprisingly, those type of videos get quite a lot of views and attention. And you can also select your audio, the music. All right, so let's take a look at the music. Okay, so when you click on the music, okay, so you can adjust the volume. You can actually select the types of music that you want to go with that video. All you need to do is just click select, and the audio will be selected. So remember, I mentioned about the logo here. So if you have uploaded a logo there, all your logos will be in there as well. If not, you can also just edit and add your own logo. Just drag and drop your logo in. It's not very difficult. Let me show you how it's done. Okay, I have uploaded my logo here. This is just a PNG image. And I need to go to the layers, go to select logo, unlock it, click on edit. Now go to logo, make sure it's unlocked, drag it. There, my logo is there. Obviously, my logo should be more square, but I can quickly just adjust it. So it is a very fast way to make video clips, especially if you want to do short ones for your marketing, which I haven't really done that much, but I feel that this tool is the one that would really help me do more, especially for Instagram, for Facebook, which I wanted to do anyway. Okay, so let me just go back to InVideo and show you one other thing, which is this the templates? Over here you have the option for intros and outros. Okay, and basically if you are watching this video, I already used one of the intros for my videos. Okay, going forward you'll probably see my videos contain more of these intros and outros. In conclusion, is this a tool that will replace your video editing from your computer? I would say likely not, because your computer or the video editor on your computer will probably be used for different kinds of videos when you're making, say, a much longer video or different formatting. But you can actually do both, in a sense that this tool here, you need not necessarily just do short videos, but you can actually maybe download certain elements and then put it into your video, and as you export it, you will contain that kinds of elements from InVideo. So check it out. I think this tool is something that will be included in your arsenal, okay, as you create more videos. And if you have not been making videos at all, but you want to dabble in it, and you don't think that you may get started with learning about video editor so soon, you can also use this tool to make short videos. But at the end of the day, I think that the video editor on your laptop will still have a place, and then you can combine using both tools depending on where and when you use it. So thanks for watching this video. This is James. Until the next time. Remember, do something small each day to build a better business, and do something small to also improve your life.